Greetings everyone from our first video. This is Nia and you are watching FinTech. In this first episode, I aim to answer some frequently asked questions about NFTs, and I'm also explain how NFT really works. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. There is no doubt that you heard the term NFT many times in the recent years. And maybe you even know that it's about cryptocurrency, or maybe you even know that it's about artworks. But what NFT really is, still a mystery for many. NFT stands for non-fungible token. That means it is not replaceable. That doesn't make it clear, does it? So, say you have some bitcoins and want to exchange them into Ethereum. Well, you can easily do that and you will have the same exact value. And if you want to exchange them into bitcoins again, well, you would have the same amount of money in your hands. That makes cryptocurrency fungible, thus replaceable. It is not the case for NFT, however. Say you have a piece of Van Gogh in your hands and you want to exchange it with a Da Vinci piece. Well, because they are so different from each other, their value will not be the same. Their value will not be fixed because it changes according to what people are willing to pay them. So you cannot change your painting of Van Gogh with a painting of Da Vinci, say, and expect nobody to notice. Well, that is the aspect that makes NFT unique, non-fungible. Having said that, NFT is also very different from physical paintings. In the physical department, there is nothing you get physical with NFT. Instead, you get a certificate of approval that you paid for that specific painting. That is what NFT is. Information about all the previous owners, about the artwork, about its value, all are stored in this NFT form. And it's also encrypted with a hash code. So NFTs are really like fingerprints. They're really unique, and there can only be one NFT of an artwork. NFT mainly exists on Ethereum blockchain, and they use the same principle and same programming as cryptocurrencies. I mean, most of them. And that aspect makes them really safe and well protected, and because of that, many artists prefer NFT for their certificate, let's say. So, why NFT becomes so popular? Well, this is because of the jaw-dropping figures that people have paid. The artwork called Everydays, the first 5,000 days, have been sold for nearly $70 million. Whoever you are, that's a lot of money. This artwork consisted of 5,000 art pieces that the artists have created each day. So it was a real hard work. And we can say that it's a real artwork. However, when Jack Dorsey sold his first tweet for $3 million, many people was shocked. And it was inspirational because that showed people that NFT has no boundaries. So an NFT can be anything really, from music to game, from an AI to screenshots, and their value wholly up to the people on the internet and what they are willing to pay for them. Recently, NFT games become so popular. In some of these games, you can use an NFT as an item in the game and you can continue to loot another valuable items by playing. Although these big sales we mentioned covers the front pages, many NFT investors believe that the real money lays in the unexposed artworks that are yet to shine. Because if the artist or the idea become popular, their price would go up dramatically. There are many artworks, there are many collections, there are many NFT pieces that are waiting for their big moment. So, this concludes our video about NFTs. We talked about how they work, why they are different, why they are popular, and we mentioned some examples. Our channel will continue to answer most frequently asked questions about crypto world. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching FinTech. Until next time.